our sales engineers will go into the shop, take a look, and see what it is that they need. What metals are they machining? What's their water quality? And they'll take all that information and take a look at what we have to provide and give them a really good recommendation.
You know, Susie, I got a thirst for talking about QualiChem. And I got you on camera today so that we could talk kind of the overview of what QualiChem is, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to let you jump in and so I can swallow this water a little bit and tell the audience a little bit more about this company.
Sure. So QualiChem metalworking fluids, we manufacture premium coolants and cutting and grinding fluids. Really innovative with our technology and can really hone in on what the customer needs and be able to provide a solution for their particular application.
And how do you guys go about doing that, right? Because there's coolant out there and some people, we consider that the back end of our thought process. We got to go the machine, the work holding, the cutting tools, all this stuff. And sometimes coolant is an afterthought, and it shouldn't be because it's so important. It adds to tool life. And what if we're saving 50% of our tool life? How much money are we saving? So we should focus on that. So how do you go about helping the customers and focusing on them?
Sure. Well, we usually take a really customer-specific approach, as in our sales engineers will go into the shop, take a look, and see what it is that they need. What metals are they machining? What's their water quality? And they'll take all that information and take a look at what we have to provide and give them a really good recommendation. And on the R&D side, we have an incredible lab facility where they do all of the back-end work and the development, and we're constantly innovating and creating that next level of product.
And you're quite a large company as well, aren't you? Would you like to describe the size?
Yeah, so we're actually, we're a global company. We've got, at our headquarters in Salem, Virginia, we have about 100 employees there, and we have distribution globally, all over the country in the US, but also all over Europe. And yeah, so we're a rather large company.
I think it's important to iterate that for the audience, because if you're going to be customer-centric, if you're going to make sure that they're taken care of, it's good to know a little bit of the history as well, right? And the size to make sure that you can go into those shops.
Sure. We like to say we do local on a global scale, in that wherever you are, we have a distributor there, as well as our QualiChem rep, who is going to be able to really provide you the service that you need in your shop too, as well as making sure you have the right product too. Because with that, you know, coolant management is incredibly important, and they're there to help you and make sure that that is taken care of too.
Very well said.
Yeah.
Would you mind dropping that slogan for me one more time? I like that a lot.
We do local on a global scale.
Local on a global scale. I like that. Now, we're at Okuma today, and you're part of the THINC partners.
Yes.
So I'd like to know a little bit about what that relationship means to you. How does it feel to be a part of this really great group?
Yeah, that's a great question. So for us, it's really important that we are partnered with companies who have a kind of a like-minded approach, and Okuma really also values their customers and provides a top-notch machine, and we're able to come in there and provide a top-notch coolant as well to make sure that the machines run smoothly and as keeping the tools running longer as well. So it's a great partnership to be able to say you have the same values.
I like that a lot. I'm sure you do too. Values are important. So here's to QualiChem. Susie, here's to you as well. And to the audience, thank you all for watching.